Hello everyone! Good morning! So for today's video guys, naami karon diri sa kuan Oman International Hospital, okay? Hospital dili hotel. Social pero 5-star, and look who's with me. Oh, narami gipa-check up nga buhok nga laya ra siya galit. So guys, tagahanda mag tour, short tour sa aning nga hotel. Grabe ka, wow good. Look at their bathroom. No, dili basta-basta wait. Oh, more din siya hotel bayot. Tapos siya shower diri. Oh. So this is Oman International Hospital. And then let's go to the room. Mo din ako mga pasyente. Shout out. Ito yung problema sa imong buhok, day.
Likod ko, derma.
Ayun, pa-derma, bitaw niya siya, guys. Wala pa man, last 9 pa ang iyang appointment. Ang watcher. Nakurot na niyang tubig diha. So, mo niya mo ang view. Tarang!
Wag sa gawas, diba? With Netflix na,
And then, they provide us Netflix. Mura jud hotel guys, can apply safe from the rain. And then, charong! Oh, di ba? May safe room. They also offer free Wi-Fi to everybody. Then you can bring as much as you want na mga watchers kasi they provide unlimited outlet. Okay guys, then mga to ta mamaya sa agawas para kuan. Makita ninyo ang surroundings. Ay. So look. Okay siya guys. Namiwasta. We're with Edgar. So, unexpected meet-up. Nandito pala siya, guys. Diri siya nag-work.
You look after the niya.
Oh, very accommodating. Unya pa mga appointments sa iyang dermagot. So, mga pisa daw sa taas, guys. Hair company. So, muna ni ilang 5th floor, guys. Look at the ceiling. Very iconic kay ilang ceiling bayot. Hayag kaayo diri guys, murag duol na gyud ta sa langit. VIP inpatient na dito. So, party here. Ako mga bida. Charot. So, muna yung restaurant. They also have their own restaurant, guys. So mag-yun. Yes, kaayo. Ang view diri. Ay, pwede mo. Pwede dili unta. Asa man mo ambak ani? So mauna ilang menu. Wa man kay sila kuan guys, sandwich lang sila. Abi na mong napod sa buffet. Wala man ay buffet. Walang may croissant, cheese croissant. Then coffee. Beautiful juga ilang hospital. Then the view from this area. Ito siya mabrihan dyan. Welcome to Tel Aviv. Oh, nice kayo. Fat. Gloomy weather diri. Oh, naman nilang Wi-Fi. So, can you please tell us your first impression about this 5-star hospital, Miss Talwood? Charot.
It's so beautiful. I'm very impressed. The bathroom is so big. They have also water,
Ah.
5-star. And it's very clean.
Yeah.
Very clean and very spacious. And massive building. Overall,
Can't wait to come back here.
oh no. I don't want to come back. This is hospital. But it's beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. How about you, Jenaline? Can you give 5-star also?
Yeah, it's really impressive. I thought it was a hotel, but it's an hospital.
Yeah, entrance pa lang.
Mm.
Should we give the entrance later?
Yeah, we will take a cover for the entrance.
Shout
So-
out to my friend here.
Yeah.
Ito, and Bede. Masano ba siya?
Ah, napibilit diri. This is actually unexpected, guys, because we're not planning to do vlogging. But when we came inside to the hospital, we should take a cover, yeah, for this video for everybody to know what Oman International has to offer.
It's not a
Charot!
hotel, it's a hospital.
Yeah, it's a hospital. Sean.
Spanish latte. Oh, sa Korea ha? Kay ano?
Cappuccino.
Hindi kay kuan, kay coffee latte.
So nice. Very beautiful Manila ang ceiling. Look at the ceiling, guys.
This sugar, hot. Then, cappuccino.
Oh, cappuccino. So we got our coffees. Kanina, mura ni nga to hospital, guys, nga. Sige rag food trip. Oh, nangapinapod mi, guys. Nangapinapod mi, ani. So, grabe siya ka-power ay lang hospital dire, guys. Alright, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to show your love and support by simply writing comments down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye. Coffee.